So those are the 6 most common income streams that are used in 2026 by your favorite YouTubers. First one is the ads. So everything starts with their channel on YouTube. So they get the ads, and they have sponsors, and they do also brand deals when they can maybe make their content for other brands. So the brands post them in their profile and the channels and their accounts. So that's called UGC. This is how they make a lot of money. Next one is affiliate links. Some of the links that you create, they told you this. They get commission when you buy or you sign up for the tool, the website. They get extra. And another way is to have their own product, PDF, courses, templates, tools, presets. So when you use the download and you pay for those, that's how they make money. Then they have a service, either one-on-one, providing the service for you, or consulting you. Sometimes the group consulting is how they make the money. Then they turn the service into a software, so SaaS, that's called, software as a service, or apps, the tools, the things that they sell you, and then you pay monthly or yearly. The other one is speaking. They get offers to either get on stage and speak, or to do a masterclass, a webinar, something when they can talk in communities, which is like a group for other creators, and that's how they get paid too. So are the most common ways. There are more ways. You can tell me in the comments which one did you see the creators use all the time. And see you in the next one.